Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can record the screen at the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. For that we will have already a built-in screen recorder. And where to find it? So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time here at the shortcuts, and by the way we will have much more shortcuts then, and one of them is here the screen recorder. So the icon with the cam in it. No? Just tap on it. And then you will have here some options to choose at first the sound source, if you want to have no sounds, or if you want to have the media sounds or the sound of the app, or if you want to have next to the media sound also the microphone in case you want to explain something or something like this. This point I would recommend to you as well if you want to explain some, because no one sees if you want to show something where you have tapped or touched the screen and which button you have tapped and so on. And with that you can make it visible. Okay. So if you're ready with it, just go on start recording, and you see this little countdown here, and then we will have here our little tool. Okay, you can move it somewhere if it disturbs you, but I would recommend to you to put it always here on the top. And by the way, if it still disturbs you, you will have the icon here, the arrow on the most left. Just tap it and you can make it disappear almost completely. If you want to have it back, just swipe it out again and you will have it back. Then you will have also a pen here, and with that you can mark here some stuff and so on, or highlight something, and you can go always back here and so on and so on. But the disadvantage is you cannot move anymore here. So if you want to move now on the screen here, then you have to disable the pen and then you can show other stuff. Okay, this little icon here enables the front cam. So if you want to explain something and people should see you, or if you're playing a game and people should see your reactions and so on, you can enable this one. And yeah, I think you know this symbol here already to pause the video, and you can continue the same video again, or if you press here on the last symbol, you can stop the video completely and it will automatically saved at your gallery. Okay, let me show you some more stuff. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time again, and now tap here on the written words screen recorder. Because then you will have next to the sound source also some other options, maybe about the video quality. If you want to have the highest one, or if you just make a simple tutorial, you can want to show something to your friends, then you can choose also the medium or the lower one, because these lower qualities doesn't take so much storage. Okay, and if you tap here on details, you can set up also some more stuff. For example, maybe here the selfie video size, if people should see your reaction. As you have seen, it is very small, but you can enlarge it a bit if you want. And where to find the screencasts after, of course, here at the gallery, as I said. And yeah, you can see it here next to the photos and the pictures, but I would recommend to you always here to go to the albums, because then the screen recordings have their own folder just for your screen recordings. And by the way, if you just want to make a picture of the screen, so a screenshot, just use the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time, and you will have just a picture, so a photo of your screen. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.